The effectiveness of today's recipe is out of this world. Just after watching this video, you will know that this recipe really works when it comes to hair growth. When chemicals damage my hair and I had to do the big chop, recipes like these have helped me grow my hair much faster, fuller, and more beautiful. And because I'm not greedy, I share all these secret recipes on this channel. And today is one of those amazing recipes. This hair growth recipe will not only boost your hair growth but also prevent hair loss, hair thinning, or hair shedding, which in return prevent balding. So if you really want to learn how I do this, make sure you're watching to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So today's recipe is very simple and easy to prepare. All the ingredients are also easy to find. I'm going to use 3 ingredients, and one of my ingredients today is the rosemary herbs. I've been using rosemary lately on my channel because I love what it does to my hair, and there are so many ways that you can use it, and today's video is one of them. But before getting into all that, I would love for you to show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. And when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my uploads. So after getting my rosemary herbs like so, I'm going to add some water to it. I'm going to wash it to make sure I get all dirt or bacteria from these yummy herbs. After washing my rosemary herbs, I'm going to put it in a saucepan and I'm going to add some water to it. There are 2 more ingredients I'm going to add to it. Rosemary herbs is very effective when it comes to hair loss, hair thinning, hair shedding, or any hair problems that you might be having. I just added some water to it. There is no measurement to this. Depending on the quantity that you are making, you just add the amount of water you need. My next thing I'm going to add is my cloves. If you've been following me on this channel, you should know all about cloves by now. But if you are new here and you do not know about cloves, cloves is a very powerful natural ingredient that can help you grow your hair much faster. It can prevent hair thinning, hair loss, hair shedding. It can also treat your scalp of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and any bacterial infection that you might be having on your hair. It has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties, and these two can help you treat your scalp and promote new healthy hair growth. After putting the 2 ingredients together, I'm going to boil them for about 10 minutes. You do not have to boil it, just a few minutes, your recipe should be ready. Cloves are very potent and you do not need much when it comes to recipes like these. Just a few cloves will do the trick, and that is one reason why I love cloves, because they are really affordable, easy to find, and they are very effective when it comes to hair growth. So at this point, this is how my recipe is looking. I set off the fire and allowed it to cool down. So I'm going to strain my water out, and this cloves and rosemary water is the bomb, guys. If you're someone who tends to lose a lot of hair, if it is hair shedding, hair fall, hair thinning, or anything like that, this recipe should be your go-to recipe because it's going to help your hair a lot. So after straining everything like so, I'm going to add one more ingredient to it. But here y'all, if you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it. I really enjoyed filming it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair much faster and also help treat your hair so you can always have beautiful and healthy hair. So my next ingredient I'm going to add is the fenugreek seeds. Y'all know fenugreek seeds is the mother of all seeds. Fenugreek seeds contains a lot of iron and protein, and these two are really beneficial when it comes to hair growth. It is going to strengthen your hair follicles to prevent it from breaking. It is also going to treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any other scalp issues that you might be having. Fenugreek seeds acts as a natural conditioner, and when added to your hair care regimen, it is going to condition your hair and make your hair very easy to manage. So I added some fenugreek seed into a mason jar like so, and I'm going to add my rosemary and cloves water that we made earlier on. It is all cooled down and it's time to add those 3 ingredients together. What makes this recipe very effective are the 3 ingredients that were put together. They all have similar properties. They're going to help treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any bacteria that might be harming your hair growth. You all know new hair always grows from the scalp. So if you have bacteria infection or anything that will hinder hair growth, then it's going to be hard for you to grow new healthy hair. So when you add recipes like this to your hair care regimen, it is going to treat your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. It is also going to help strengthen your hair strands, the hair that you've already grown. It's going to make sure it is really strong and also resistant from breaking. So after everything, I'm going to set it aside for overnight and our recipe is ready. We just want the fenugreek to infuse into the other ingredients, and you can only know it's ready because the fenugreek seed is going to double in size. You're going to notice that it has increased in size, and this shows that your recipe is really ready to use. So at this point, we're going to strain it a second time because we want to get rid of the fenugreek seed. We just need the water. But guess what? We are not going to throw away those fenugreek seeds. Do not throw it away because it still has its benefits. So we're going to use this as a hair mask. You can blend it and add your aloe vera to it. There are so many ways you can use this fenugreek seed. So whenever you do this recipe, do not throw the fenugreek seeds away. You can put it in the refrigerator and use the seeds later. But at this point, we just need the water, and our water is all ready to be used. There are still some little particles of the fenugreek seeds in this recipe. So at this point, I'm going to transfer into a mason jar, but I will make sure to use a cheesecloth, wake up, anything with tiny holes to strain my recipe the second time. Feel free to use anything that you have, but I use my wake up and I use these wake ups for my recipes. So make sure whatever you use is really clean and free of dirt. Let me show you how to use this recipe. There are so many ways that you can use this recipe. You can use it as a hair rinse, but before using it, make sure you shampoo, wash your hair, you condition your hair, and this is going to be the last rinse. You pour this all over your hair, then after that, make sure to massage it in. Concentrate on your edges and places that you might have lost some hair. Massaging your scalp is also great for hair growth because it improves blood circulation to your scalp, which helps you to grow new healthy hair. After putting this in your hair, make sure to cover your hair with a rubber cap and leave it in for your hair for about 45 minutes. Then after that, you can go ahead and rinse it out, and do not forget to moisturize your hair. Whenever you use any water-based natural recipe, do not forget to go in with your moisturizer and your oil. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to learn one more way to grow your hair much faster. Bye.